Alright, well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are just new here, first time to visit, welcome. My name is Mac. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Tower of the Little Prince. It's by Rachel Paul and Martina Rossi. Say hi to Kelly right over there for me. And he just wants to be included on the video. But anyway, so here we have a tuck box, yeah, carton. So this one is of course published by Los Scarabeo. See it right there, Los Scarabeo. It retails for, I know that it's here somewhere, I think. There you go. It retails for $24.95. And yeah, the carton box just kind of ripped off a bit, or ripped rather, for anyway, kind of disappointing. That's one of the things that I really don't like about tuck box like this. Just it easily like gets damaged. So anyway, let's just open this one immediately, because I'm so excited to do the flip through of this card and to see how each card looks like. To be honest, I haven't really seen all the cards yet. Even in reviews, I haven't had any time like to really watch it, so I want to see it for myself. I have some of my hair right here, sorry. Alright, so it's just very simple tuck box right there, and then here is here are the cards rather. So we have here like a pamphlet for the guidebook. It's just a small pamphlet right here. I'll deal with this one first. I can smell the cards. Oh, it smells so great. Okay, so we have here black and white, and let's see, copyright 2019. So we have different languages right here. We have English, Italiano, Espanol, French, and Portuguese. So for the, let's see here, for the meanings, so that we only have like a 3-card layout right here, and then for the meanings of the major arcanas, there's no reverse meanings, right? I don't see any reverse meanings here, so yep, there are no reverse meanings. If you're already familiar with, you know, the meanings of the reverse cards, then it's fine, but if you don't read reversals, that's fine. This one would probably suit you as well. So I am going to do the flip through. So this is like the title card, and this is how the back looks like, which is fantastic. And kind of some of the cards are a little bit, I don't know what happened there, but anyway, just the first few though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess. And we have here the back of the card, which is fantastic. It really looks so cute, so cool. Wow, I haven't really read Little Prince yet, to be honest. I haven't like completely read it. I haven't finished reading it, so this is really cool, you know. Let's see. And then the back, those Scarabée will always have like one extra card and one, two extra cards, one in front and one at the back. So this is just a marketing, marketing stuff. So let's proceed with the flip through. The Fool. And here at the bottom, it's not it's borderless, but here at the bottom you can see like kind of like a shaded black right over there, I guess. Yep. And you have the title card right here, and it's numbered. So let's proceed with the flip through. The art is really fantastic. I like it. My dogs are playing, if you can hear them. Alright, then we have the Magician. Sorry. Sorry, I had to like cut it for a while because my dogs were like fooling around. So anyway, okay, here's the High Priestess card. It's so pretty. And we have the Empress card. I love the artwork. I love the illustrations. The Emperor. Then we have the Hierophant. The Lover's card. The imagery, it's really stunning. The images are based from, of course, it looks like still based from RWS. Strength card. The Fox. And then we have the Hermit. The Wheel. The Elephant. Sheep. Snake. Fox. The Rose. Then we have, the Justice card. We have the Hangman, of course. Look. Nice card right there. Then we have the Death card right here. Oh, this is a beautiful Death card. It doesn't scare. And we have the picture of the rose right there. It's like a constellation. Wow. This is really a nice Death card right there. And then we have Temperance. The Devil card. Cool. The Tower. Also, they fell from the plane. Oh, this is a great Tower card. It's kind of different, but you can still see the peak of the tower image right here. Like you're falling from a beautiful plane, right? So it would probably got struck by something, or it could have been like an engine failure. But anyway, you're falling from a very high place. That's the most important thing. And then we have the Star card, the Moon. Look at this Moon card, and it feels like, oh, he's doing a shadow animal. This is so cool. But it's like he's standing on top of the moon, right? Yeah, it kind of looks like though. He's doing like what do you call that, shadow puppet stuff. The one thing that we used to do when we were little. Now we have here the sun card. Okay, this is kind of different sun card right here. He's looking at the sun, but he's kind of, I don't see happiness on this sun card right here. It's a totally different sun card. I mean, for the imagery, but this is interesting. And then we have here the Judgment card. The World, beautiful. And then Ace of Cups. The butterflies, the rose, the cup. We have Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Somehow I remember Beauty and the Beast rose right over here. And then we have the Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. Wow. Okay. Nine of Cups. Oh yeah, the feeling of, or the look of contentment right over there, or wishes fulfilled, dreams fulfilled. And then we have the Ten of Cups. We have Page of Cups. I can get a whiff of the scent of the cards. It's so good. It smells so good. I'm sorry. Alright, Knight of Cups. We have the Queen of Cups. The King of Cups right here. Age of Pentacles. Ace, did I say age? Ace of Pentacles, I'm sorry. And then Two of Pentacles. Cool. I wish I could really say more about The Little Prince, because I know that this one is based from The Little Prince book, but I wish I could have watched it earlier or read the book earlier, but yeah, somehow I can't share anything based from the book. So if you're pretty much aware of it, please go ahead and share what you know about The Little Prince. Write down below what's your favorite part of the Little Prince story. Now we have the Five of Pentacles. The Six of Pentacles. 7. 8. 9 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. Okay, we have the Page. The Knight. The Queen of Pentacles. I like how the cards feel, by the way. It's a different, it's matte, but it's different type of matte. It feels like it's a little bit kind of textured in a way. Yeah. And we have the Ace of Wands right here. Two of Wands. The Three of Wands. for I'm trying to like really say something about these cards, but some of them has the like while I'm actually flipping through the cards, I can see you know, some of the meanings based from the RWS system when I look at it. But for some of them as well, I might need to take a look at the guidebook, or the pamphlet rather, of how they look like. So now the Page of Wands, Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands, we have the King of Wands. I'm really sorry if you can hear my air condition. Like, it got cleaned, and somehow like right after it's cleaned by this company that we call for them to clean the air condition. It's somehow a little bit noisy right after they clean it, so I don't know. Now we're down at the last suit, which is the Swords. This is a perfect Three of Swords here, you know, and the Rose, and okay, Four of Swords right there, Five of Swords, the Six of Swords, Seven of Swords. I kind of remember the RWS image right there, and then Eight of Swords. So this one is kind of like a different Eight of Swords. Instead of being binded by something, it's because of the snake. I think that's the reason why they cannot really move, or they cannot come down from the stone right there. Then we have Nine of Swords, and the Ten of Swords. Oh, okay. The Ten of Swords, for all I know, it's about completion of something, the end of something, for an opportunity to come in, right? For a new opportunity to come in, something has to end. And in here, yes, they do look like it looks like, yeah, they look like something was lost and ended, but it's on a circular. The Ten of Swords is in a circular position, which means kind of like a circle where, you know, something new is also coming after something ends. Now we have the Page of Swords right here, the Knight of Swords, Queen of Swords, and the King of Swords. So that's it for the flip through. I love the back, they're so gorgeous. I love the feeling of the cards. I like how it feels, and the smell. Oh jeez. Okay, so let's try to shuffle the cards. They are thin, by the way, but not too thin. And wow, they shuffle really well. You can hear that, right? They do shuffle really well. That's actually the great thing about Los Carabeo cards. They're like, when I'm shuffling Los Carabeo cards, they're so smooth, and oh sorry, I don't have any problem God, sorry about that. Okay, I don't have any problem shuffling the decks with Los Scarabeo. They're really great cards to do the riffle shuffle. They don't stick together, and it's really nice, you know. Alright, so let's try to pick a card and read from the guidebook. Let's see how it reads. Before I do that, let's try to shuffle it overhand, and look at that. It's nice. It's really cool. Okay, so we're gonna have to take that card since it fell. And we have here, what's this? The Three of Cups. Right. So the Three of Cups, let's see. Where's the pamphlet? Should have like put it right over there. Okay, so the pamphlet, where is it? What's this Three of Cups? Again. Okay, here we go. For the Three of Cups, where is it? There you go. Okay, here it is. So for the Three of Cups, it says in here, the little prince, the aviator, and the fox all joyfully gather around a well in the desert. The Three of Cups is a card of friendship. The balance experienced in the Two of Cups expands out. What's this? Sorry. The balance experienced in the Two of Cups expands out further as relationships take shape and form with multiple levels and different dimensions. So I think this card is kind of like saying that, what do you call this? The card is actually like saying that a new friendship is forming, or either not just a new friend is formed, not just a newfound friend is coming, but maybe it also tells you that you know, your friends or your friendship matters as of the moment, and you know, whatever happens with you in your life, you sure can count on someone to be there for you. So be it someone who's always at your side like the fox, or be it the aviator. So, and when you like get together with your friends, you enjoy their company, or you do something you all together enjoy, so at least you'll have fun together, you know, doing something. And yeah, I think this card is all about friendship. And I guess the message for you guys, and also for me as well, is just to, you know, stay happy with your friends. If you need someone to be there for you as of the moment, then call them, call your friends, call for support, call for whoever could be with you as of the moment, and you know, you can count on them anytime, anywhere, any place. So I guess that's about it for this video. My thoughts on the cards, I like the drawings, of course. I do love how they yeah, I do like the artwork so much. I do like the cardstock, and this is really a fun card for me, to be honest. I like how the back looks like. It's non-reversible, but it's fine. I mean, this is the Tower of, this is the Tower of the Little Prince. So I can't ask for anything more. The only downside will probably be, of course, the carton box, this talk box right over here, where you know you have, it can easily be damaged, because of course it's just a carton box. The guidebook, it's very simple. Oh, the pamphlet letter is very simple, and I guess just the meanings are just typically like how it only means based from the images right here. But I just really wish there could have been something even more for this pamphlet right over here. For the price of $24.95 for this, well, for the imagery, $24.95, it's a little bit expensive for me. I mean, for this I would have wished it could be just around like $21.99 or something, but or $22.95 or something, but $24.95 could probably be a little bit high. But I like it though. I like the artwork. I can use these cards. I'm gonna try to like use this a little bit, a few times more for me to be able to like maybe resonate with it, and based from, of course, what it says here on the pamphlet, I'll try to check if it does really, fit or not. And I'm gonna keep this one because I love I actually like the artwork so much. So how about you guys? Do you already have this this tarot deck? If you do, please comment down below if you like it or not, and what's your favorite card in here? What's your least favorite about this deck? Please comment down below. I'd like to know what you guys think as well. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any other recommendation, or yeah, if you have any other recommendation of cards, let me know and I'll check it out for you and do a flip through of it and first impression. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Yeah, first subscribe as well. And that's it for me, guys. Thanks again for watching. Until my next video. Bye.